Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In this small tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to apply lashes. So this beautiful combination of lashes and my face, I created within 2 minutes, probably even less. If you're interested how I did this with my beginner style technique, then please keep on watching, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump right into my video. Well guys, let's get started. I don't really want to bore you with this tutorial. This is gonna be really simple kind of video where you can just learn and go. I've been struggling with some falsies for a long period of time. I didn't know how to put them and it always came out, let's say it was really bad. So I found this really cool technique that I'm about to share with you on my channel right now. I'll be using BH Cosmetics false eyelashes. If you really want to check out how I cut my hair, like this is the final result, then go ahead and check out my previous video. Yes, I did my haircut about 2 days ago and I kind of really like it. I kind of like nailed it. And we're gonna use some glue. It doesn't really matter what kind of glue you use. Well, it does matter, but the one that I've been using for a couple of years, it's Broadway glue, strip false, like strip eyelash. But at the same time, you can use some glue from Duo, if I'm not mistaken. And the one more thing that you're going to be needing is some mirror. If you have this kind of mirror that is moving, then it's great. If you don't, then you can use just a simple one, whatever you have. I did my makeup off camera because I don't really want to spend lots of time on it. And I'm just gonna open my brand new lashes. It even has some lash glue, which is awesome. And these are my lashes. So let's get started with my right eye. Okay, let me apply this glue on them. And this glue is black. Okay. Okay, this glue is really shitty. So I guess I'm gonna go back to my whole one. And I'm gonna leave it for 30 seconds, probably a little bit more. I'm gonna put my mirror right underneath me so I can watch it this way. I'm watching into my mirror, but not as straight as I always would do, but kind of like down. My first lash is on. Here comes my second lash. We're gonna do pretty much the same process because the hardest part for me is not to put on my right lash, but to put on my left. I'm gonna do the same technique with the same glue. So I'm putting my mirror under my chin, like it just depends on how close you want this mirror to be. Look into the mirror like this. And like this. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the whole thing. This is the whole technique. And I hope you're gonna give it a try. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, small tutorial, and I hope to see you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.